What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Rav4. We're going to be doing some mods on it. Don't forget, for the month of January, we are doing a GoPro giveaway. All you have to do to be eligible to win, be a subscriber to the channel and comment on videos. At the end of January, we're going to pick the video with the most comments and pick a random winner from that. So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and comment, and you are automatically eligible to win the GoPro. Today, we're going to start on the Rav4 with things that Amanda likes and doesn't like about her car. She's had this about 2,000 or 3,000 miles so far. Yeah. So driving it every single day, obviously you've been able to tell what you like and don't like about it. Why don't we start off with things you hate about your 2017 Rav4? You want to start over? Let's start off with things you hate about your 2017 Rav4. Okay,
I hate that the power liftgate can't be manually used.
You want to go check that out real quick while you're talking about it?
So I feel like in certain situations, like if you're backing in a spot, maybe you would want to manually lift it because
so we just do that.
You have to be careful backing it in. You're not sure.
And if you notice too, we had to make sure that there was plenty of clearance between the garage door top and that, but you can adjust the height of that. Yeah. So if you don't want it to open up as high, you can. But do any of them come with a manual option? I feel like a lot of cars have the
I feel like some of them that we looked at did come with a manual.
Yeah.
But that's all. Yeah. You can't get manual and power.
It's just one or the other. All right, so that's not a huge deal. Just, I mean, you can open it with your key fob and inside the door. So, I mean, you can do it from a distance. Feature. Yeah, we just go up here. All right, well, I mean, it's not a deal breaker, obviously, because you got it.
Well, yeah.
Is there a second thing on your list?
Yeah, the second thing is the sunroof. Whenever you have it open and you go to turn the car off, then it kind of beeps and it tells you, hey, you need to shut that. But whenever you tilt it, it's just like a flashing. It doesn't do the beep, and so I kind of forgot that it was tilted.
Other than that, you love it?
I love it.
I think it's a pretty awesome car. A lot of you guys liked it when we did the unveil of it. There's not much to really hate on it. It's a very reliable car. All right, well, you ready to get into today's project?
Yeah.
Because we have a little bit of work to do. We are going to be installing more LED lights. These are from lastfit.com, and these are switchback fog lights. So they're gonna be yellow and white. But we also have a promo code for LastFit. It's Bros for Speed 10. That'll be down in the description below. If you use that, you can save 10% on your next order. And the Rav4 already has LED headlights. So we're gonna go ahead and match the fog lights, so obviously everything looks the exact same up front. What do you think about the headlights since they've been in for a couple weeks?
I think the headlights are great.
You really like them?
Yeah.
Now it's time for the fog lights. So we do have to get up underneath the car. I don't think we have to take anything apart. I thought we had to take the bumper off. So I went ahead and did the passenger side one so we know what we're doing. And there's a huge difference so far. So we're gonna show you guys the before and after.
This is the stock.
It's you see yellow. How kind of yellow it is?
Yeah.
And then the super bright white. Now, what's pretty cool about the switchback is if I shut it off with the same switch and turn it back on, now it's yellow.
It's yellow.
Cool. Now, how does that, I didn't look, how does that compare with the stock yellow haze?
It's much more yellow.
Can you see? But it's more crystal clear. This is kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of...
dull?
It's kind of dull compared to how yellow that is. But that's going to be really good if you're driving in the rain or snow or something. You're going to use that setting. And if you're just going down like a back road or something,
which would you use? Oh, you said the rain.
You would use the white ones on like a back road or something when it's nighttime or dark out. Yellow ones are going to be better for rain, snow, fog, obviously. So you want to use those ones. But I mean, you can use either one, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. Now that I've showed Amanda how to do the passenger side, I'm going to walk her through doing the driver's side here. So. We have all the tools that we need. A flat head and a socket is really it. We're gonna start with the 10mm, so the socket here.
Okay.
So we're gonna loosen these 3 bolts right here. There's 1, 2, and 3 right there. So you're gonna go ahead and do those 3. And then the wheel well here, fender liner I should say, we're gonna go ahead and pop out with another bolt. It's getting to a point where the bolt is very loose, so you can just do it by hand. So there's 1 bolt.
Hey, why'd you do it? Let's do it.
You have 2 more to go.
The floor is really cold.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't have a blanket. Oh, I do have blankets. You want a blanket instead?
I'm okay.
Is it pretty easy to do?
Looks like it's pretty easy to do. It's just
hard to do it upside down?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you're not used to something like that either.
I think I could do it myself.
Yeah? But you are doing it yourself. I'm just here to put a camera in your face.
Oh, here.
Now there's one more. And it's
I know which one it is.
Oh, I don't even have to tell you. What do you think about working on your own car? You like it?
I think I need one of those stretcher things that goes under the car with the wheels.
Yeah.
That would be much better for my back.
That's something that I've never had before. All right, so that is the last bolt. There is one more now that we need with the flathead. So if you want to stand up, you're gonna turn this one 90 degrees. Just turn it 90 degrees either way and just pop it out just like that. So that's just gonna allow us to pop this fender liner back a little bit and give us some more wiggle room, okay?
Okay.
So now what we need to do is very slowly, you're gonna pull this fender liner kind of back and out.
Do I need to get back under there?
You can sit down if you want to. So just, yeah.
Okay, be patient with me.
I am, you're doing great. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. She's doing awesome so far.
I'm getting dirty.
Did you want some gloves?
No.
Okay. That's gonna give us the wiggle room that we need to stick our hand back up in there. So before we go ahead and pop the bulb out, it's actually, yeah, where is it? It's actually up, it's right up. Where's my hand? Can you see my hand on the camera? Yeah, here's the back side of the fog light. So all we have to do is disconnect it and then twist the bulb out. You're not touching my finger yet. You gotta touch the back side here.
It's harder than I thought to see it. Why don't you get out of the way?
Okay, you want me to do it?
No.
It'll speed up the process. As long as you know how to do it.
You don't have faith in me?
Oh, I do. So
get your hand out of there. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. So now that you've disconnected that wire, now we have to twist that fog light. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise. Yep, just like that. Okay. And go ahead and pull it out. There we go. So there is the stock bulb. That wasn't so bad, was it? Let me give you
some dirt in the mouth.
Oh gosh. Let me give you a hand. You did great.
Oh God, now I need a shower.
It's only been 5 minutes. Now let's show you guys the before and afters, basically. Here's the stock bulb. And now here are the last fit bulbs. So this has the entire bulb here with the fan in it. And then you can see there's another portion down here. I believe this is the resistor. So all this is gonna get tucked up nicely. It's a direct plug and play. So this will easily go in. You have a 50-50 shot. So if this goes in wrong and it doesn't light up, we just turn it around. These tabs right here are gonna go into the stock housing and this will twist back in place as we just twisted out. So it is as easy as that. Yes. Is that in? That's upright?
Are these tabs supposed to be underneath that
Let me see.
chrome thing or no?
No, that's correct, because when they're in the chrome thing, that means you can take the light out. Because if you see on this side, they're showing on the top. I don't know if the camera can see that, but that's correct. So you got it. You ready for the after? We'll just make sure that, oh, we have to plug it in now. We didn't plug it in yet. It's basically those connections. I just showed them on camera, but if you're gonna have to look way up underneath there. Okay. I don't know if I can get the camera all the way in there.
Try it.
Okay. All right, you ready? This should work.
Okay.
Here you go. Good job. What do you think? Look at your hands.
Oh boy.
All right, you ready?
They're dirty. Whoa.
Whoa.
It's bright.
Yeah, can you get farther back? We don't have any nighttime shots.
They're pretty bright.
Well, we'll link the video down below for the headlights and you guys can see a difference for that. You ready for yellow?
Cool.
So you see how you'll be easily able to tell it's yellow versus white?
Yeah, I think so.
So we have a few more things to put on the RAV4. We're gonna go ahead and button this up. It's just those 4 bolts that you just saw, so the process is the exact same thing, putting the fender liner back in place. The next thing that we have going on for the RAV4 is a sticker. I got this for her as part of a Christmas gift. It says Girls for Speed, so we crossed out the bros and put Girls for Speed. This is available on our website. I'll have that down in the description below if anyone is interested in one. This is kind of just a one-off custom sticker for the RAV4 since it's blue and her car is blue. So now we just have to find out where you want it.
I want to do it right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
How close to the edge should I do it, or should I have it there in the middle?
It probably doesn't make a huge difference.
Where this goes flat.
Yeah.
If you want it, I should have it in the middle of the flat or have it over here in the corner.
That's a tough one.
I think I should have it in the corner.
I think the corner is okay. So just spray a little bit of that. It doesn't have to be over the entire glass, just in that corner there. Yep.
Just make sure to put it like exactly where I want it.
So can you hold this? Okay. Yeah, so hand it to me and if I screw up. All right, so you're okay with that right there?
Yeah.
Just like that, right? So just like that?
Yeah.
You're good with that?
Yeah, how's the bottom gonna look? Is it good?
Yeah, I don't want any bubbles in it. So how, you like it?
Yeah, I
We're
like
kind
it.
of stuck there now.
Okay.
Yep, there's no bubbles in it, so it's a very easy sticker to apply.
The first start to my channel.
What do you think?
I love it.
To your channel?
Yeah, girls for speed.
I'm kidding, yeah.
Okay, last up, we're gonna do the reverse light, which is obviously right there.
We
just have to get under the car.
Yep, we already did that side, so we know how to do it. So, what do we have to do to change out this bulb?
So I have to get on the ground in the dirt. And if you want to show them with the flashlight,
it's gonna be hard to
right here.
Yeah.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
Right there where my fingertip is.
Okay.
So I have to turn that counterclockwise.
There you go.
Oh, you got it.
See? It's right there.
Oh gosh. So good advice would be to clean your car out really good underneath before you do this.
And just pull the bulb straight out now.
Unless you just want to eat some rocks.
See that? Alright.
Before and after.
Now, you can put this in backwards. Remember how we tried on the other side?
Yeah.
You have a 50-50 shot. So once we plug this one in, we'll make sure it works before we put it back in. Okay.
So does it literally just push in like the other?
Just like you took this one out.
So this is the before.
How's that look? Oh,
this
wow.
is the after. So don't know if you can see with the sun shining in.
Yeah.
Right here on the side.
That should definitely help you at nighttime.
But this is the new one. This is the old one. I think it looks much brighter. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. The new reverse lights, the new fog lights. Thank you for my new lights. And also my new sticker. And go on the website and buy one. How much are they?
Like $7,
Oh, cool.
$6.
See, they're really cheap.
They're not a lot. Yeah, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you comment for your chance to win the GoPro for January. And we'll see you guys in the next video.